Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're exploring Magnite, Magnite.com, a prominent player in the advertising technology landscape. Specifically, we'll be delving into what Magnite offers and examining its role in connecting publishers and advertisers. Magnite functions as a supply-side platform, or SSP, enabling publishers to efficiently manage and maximize their advertising inventory. Through Magnite's platform, publishers can access a wide array of advertisers, creating a competitive marketplace that can drive higher revenue for their digital content. Furthermore, Magnite offers sophisticated tools and analytics to help publishers optimize their ad strategies. This includes features like real-time bidding, header bidding, and advanced reporting capabilities. These tools provide publishers with valuable insights into ad performance, empowering them to make data-driven decisions to enhance their monetization efforts. On the other side of the equation, Magnite also serves advertisers, providing them with access to a vast network of premium publishers. This allows advertisers to effectively reach their target audiences across a diverse range of websites, apps, and connected TV, CTV, platforms. Magnite's technology enables advertisers to precisely target their campaigns, ensuring that their messages are delivered to the most relevant viewers. Magnite has established itself as a leader in the advertising technology industry, facilitating the complex transactions between publishers and advertisers. By leveraging its advanced technology and extensive network, Magnite plays a crucial role in the ever-evolving digital advertising ecosystem, helping both publishers and advertisers achieve their respective goals. We encourage you to explore Magnite.com further to discover how their solutions can benefit your specific needs.